In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of a favicon not showing on your Wix website. Seeing a blank space where your favicon should be can be frustrating, but fear not, as we're going to solve this together with a few easy steps. First off, let's explore some common reasons why your favicon might not be displaying. One possibility is that your browser is showing an old cached version of your site. This is pretty common and can easily be resolved by clearing your browser cache. Another reason could be that the favicon wasn't published properly after uploading. It's crucial to confirm that you finished all the necessary steps in the uploading process. Also, check if the file you've used is in the correct format or size. Recommended formats include .png, .jpg, and .ice.eo, with a preferred resolution of 500 by 512 pixels. If you manage multiple sites, ensure that the favicon was uploaded to the correct one. Lastly, depending on when you last updated your favicon, Wix might not have updated the favicon URL across search results yet. Now let's get into the step-by-step process on your Wix website. To begin, navigate to your Wix site editor. Once you're there, look for the Settings option. The Settings menu is essentially your control center for making essential adjustments to your site, including your favicon. Click on Settings, which will open a list of options for you. Next, locate the Favicon tab in the Settings menu. Clicking on this will bring up the area where your favicon is managed. Here, you'll find a preview of your current favicon. It's important to ensure that your favicon is visible in this preview. If it's not showing up, click Upload Image again and re-upload your favicon. As mentioned earlier, make sure the image is in one of the supported formats. After you've uploaded or re-uploaded the correct image, remember that the job isn't done until you save and publish your site. Look for the Save option, usually found at the top right of your editor, and give it a click. Following that, hit Publish. Another essential action that ensures all your hard work is live and visible to the world. Once you've published the changes, clear your browser cache before checking your site again. This clears out old data and ensures you're seeing the most up-to-date version. Congratulations, you should now see your favicon proudly displayed in the Browser tab next to your site's title. With these steps, you should have resolved any issues of your Wix favicon not appearing. Remember these checkpoints as you customize and enhance your website further. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this has been helpful. Feel free to reach out if you have any more questions or need further assistance. Happy site building!